Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday in Vancouver. I got my Star Wars t-shirt on. I'm super excited about this video. It's actually the unboxing of the DJI Mavic drone. It's actually the Mavic Air. Really excited for this. I know it's about a year old, so the new one is the DJI Mavic 2. I'm eventually going to get that in a couple of months or so. Really excited about this drone. It's a small drone, but also the videos I've seen as well as the photos are absolutely amazing. So let's get into the unboxing after this. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As I mentioned before, here is that DJI Mavic Air drone. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe by hitting that subscribe button, as well as this video is actually being filmed on that S10 Plus that I did the unboxing of. I'll leave it up here for you to check out. So here it is, that DJI Mavic drone. I got this from Costco. So what's included in this one, it might not be the same if you buy it from another store. Costco does include a couple of extras. Is actually the aircraft body, which is this one right here, the remote control, which is actually included in the box, propeller pairs, so 4 of them, okay, and then propeller guards, 4 of them. Here's the propeller guards. So I recommend using these ones when you're initially using the drone, primarily because if you're not used to flying any drone, you might hit your drone in like a building or somewhere else, like a tree, and it might break these propeller guards, and these aren't that cheap. They're about 20 bucks or so. So that's why they recommend using these propeller guards, even though I've heard really good things about this drone by itself, that it has a lot of sensors around. Apart from that, you get your intelligent flight battery. Okay, you get a charger to charge the battery. So power cables for your iPhone, which is what the drone is actually built for. It's recommended to be used with an iPhone, but they also include a micro USB cable as well as a USB-C cable. One really good thing I like about this drone is it has a USB-C cable, so you can transfer your information from the drone to your laptop using that USB-C cable. You get a traveler's bag, which is this tiny one, as well as the manuals. A couple of things right off the bat. So it's 4K, 3-axis gimbal, active tracking. So I'm actually going to be using this drone in the future when I make videos where I'm actually talking and the drone's actually just following me around. And then obstacle avoidance, because it has different types of radars attached to the drone's front, back, and I believe a couple on the side, which will help it avoid any obstacles, such as like a tree or a bird, or even cutting through like not small buildings. And then it has a sport mode. So really important about the sport mode, it deactivates the obstacle avoidance. So if you're going to use the sport mode, be very, very comfortable. One more important thing, which I kind of want to mention, doesn't matter if you're in Canada or anywhere else, this is actually a very serious item. So if you are planning on flying a drone, do look at your regular laws about drone flying, where you can and cannot fly a drone. Okay, here we go. So as I mentioned before, that with the Costco purchases, they do include a little bit extra. It's for the same price as if you buy it from like the DJI store. Like the drone is almost the same price, but they'll include something extra, like for example that little travel case. So here are the propeller guards. Highly recommend that you put these on when you're first starting off with the drone, because you're new to the equipment, so you don't know how to use it properly. This will help you with getting used to the equipment. Okay, let's actually open this one up first. I'm kind of excited about this. So yes, here is that travel bag. It's actually a cloth bag, really good material, very durable, and it has like a little carry case that you can wrap around your arm, and then you just unzip it like this, and then you can insert your items such as your propeller guards, your charging cables in here, as well as your drone will probably go inside of there. Keep them safe, zip them up, take them with you if you want to travel to another country, vice versa. Okay. And finally, here we have that main item, the DJI Mavic Air. I'm going to unbox this for you, but before we do that, I'll quickly show you what these propeller guards look like. So here it is. Here's one of them. So what you do is you just simply grab them, attach them to the drone like that, clip it on, and then your wings will be up here and they'll just avoid it from hitting anything on the sides. All right, so let's get into the unboxing of this one. I'm gonna quickly pop this open. So they only had one color, which was that red flame one. I personally wanted the white one, or if they had a black one. I don't really like that red, bright red color, but it's whatever was available, so. And once again, this is just a quick unboxing video. I'm not going to be doing a flight of this drone because there's a lot of things involved when you first get the drone, such as charging the batteries, as well as registering on that DJI Mavic app, which I'll leave right below the like button. So like I mentioned, you get a couple of extra goodies with the Costco purchase. You get the bag, the travel bag, but you also get a small carry case for the drone, which comes natively if you buy it from outside. So inside will be the drone, which we'll get into in a couple seconds. Here is the controller. Now this controller is a little bit different than, because I've used the DJI Mavic Pro, which has the actual distance, the height and stuff. So there's no display on this one. However, there's a display on the other one. Okay. And when you open these ones up, now they recommend you remove all these like yellow stickers before you do any flight. So that's what we're going to do. Removing all these yellow stickers. Okay. And then here is the opening of the controller. Now you might be wondering where the joysticks are. They're actually located at the bottom over here. All you have to do is just take them out like that. Okay. Like that. And then what you do is you just put it in like this. And then you just slowly screw that in. Okay. And then same thing goes for the other one. I'll show you guys here. Like that. And then you just slowly screw them in. Yes, it's a little bit different. I actually do like this style better than the Mavic Pro, which had the joysticks attached. This I will find is going to be a little bit more durable than the other ones. When you put this in the bag, when you put something like this in the bag, it's going to be quite easy to wiggle around. But with the Mavic Pro, having those joysticks, there was a very high chance that the joysticks might break. Okay, so I'm just going to put this to the side over here. Now this will contain, as it shows over here, the charging cable, as well as the other cables attached if you don't have an iPhone. So let's get this unboxed. Now it's very similar to a laptop charger for that intelligent battery. Okay, you just attach the battery here and you attach this to the wall. And then here you have a USB-C to USB-A cable. And then finally, here's the other part for the battery charging cable, which goes here. And then this one gets attached to the wall. So let me just open this up like that. And then all you're gonna do is just plug this into the outlet like this, and you're gonna charge your drone. All right, so in this box, what we're gonna find are the propeller guards, as well as the propellers and the manual. Okay, so here it is. And then inside, like I showed you, the propeller guards, as well as the thick manual. And that's about it. So let's actually unbox the drone box. All right, so next thing what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna unbox, is we're gonna open that DJI Mavic Air case. It's a nylon case, very light. Here is the drone. So you actually do get a secondary set of propeller guards with the actual drone itself. So here we go. It's a foldable drone, so your drone's not going to be like this. Your drone's actually going to be like that. We're going to open it up like that. And I believe these go like this. Okay. So here is that battery that you have to charge when you first get the drone. To release the battery, you just move it up to the green and it'll just pop off. Alright, so here's the battery. You attach the charger like this, and then you plug it in and it'll charge from 0 all the way to 100. Here's the drone by itself. You have your camera hiding inside of this right here. All you have to do to unlock this is to remove the sticker first. And then you get these 2 clips, so just take these clips off like that. And then here you have the actual gimbal of the drone. Then to plug it back in, all you do is just bring this back here like that. You get a couple of sensors at the back, 2 sensors at the front, and that's about it. So here is a DJI Mavic Air, a quick unboxing. Let me know what you guys think about this drone. Should I return it? Should I keep it? And if you've actually used this drone, leave a comment down below. As always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.